I wanted to explore this combination of arts and technology, which is, and this class seemed to be the perfect way to do that.
It was one of the first classes where actually, like you're actually sitting down ideating, building a project from scratch that is based on creative computing and computational creativity.
My name is Dr. Brian Magerko. I'm an associate professor of digital media here at Georgia Tech, and I run for the past fall and this spring the Tech Arts Practicum. So it's about engaging undergraduate and graduate students here across a variety of disciplines in the arts and humanities by collaborating with local area artists to produce an interactive arts or interactive installation show at the end of spring 2017.
I stayed throughout the second semester of the class because it was my first time ever being exposed to creative computing, and then also being exposed to a lab on campus that actually does academic research in performance technology or music technology and things like that.
The students were in small groups focusing on mini projects centered around the concept of technology and joy. And they had to have some kind of aesthetic that was mapped to that concept, as well as some technology that they were exploring in the work that they were doing, like a Microsoft Connect.
The project that I'm working on is called Lines of Flight, and we're working with Bella Dorada, who's a dancer through iJump Studios. And it's really a performance technology using computer vision, so using color tracking, body tracking, motion tracking to create a visualization of the dance performance that's happening, and then two, to facilitate new types of audience interactions.
The concept that I decided to pursue was this idea of fictional inspirations. So what I mean by that is having like a gallery full of objects that have roots in fictional literature, especially something like sci-fi literature and fantasy fiction. They're full of these objects, interesting objects that people, the characters interact with, but these objects have been sort of made to come alive using technology.
I think it's an amazing program to have because it's the first lab that I've seen on campus that actually facilitates creativity in students through technology.